Hello everyone, in this lesson we are going to discuss about another flow control statement, switch. In Go, switch statements are a clean and efficient way to execute code based on a multiple conditions. They are similar to series of if-else statements but often more concise and readable. This is the basic structure of Go switch case. Let's take a look at what are the key features. No need for break. Unlike many other languages, Go automatically breaks out of the switch after the first matching case. Default case. The default block is optional and runs when no cases match. Switch without an expression. You can omit the expression and use a condition in the case block. Let's take a look at this sample code. First, we have initialized a variable day, which is a string and keeps the value Tuesday. Then we have initialized our switch case, which triggers based on value of day. We have cases Monday, Friday, Saturday, and default. Let's run this and take a look. Here it's print, it's a regular weekday. This is the default case because Tuesday doesn't match with any other cases, Monday, Friday, or Saturday, or Sunday. Let's change this value to Friday. Now it's print almost the weekend. Let's try to change the value to Sunday or Saturday. Let's try Sunday. Now it's print, it's the weekend. Same for the Saturday. Switch without an expression. Here, the switch does not evaluate a single expression but checks multiple conditions in the case block. Let's try to run this code. Here, the age value is 20, so it must come to second case and print you are an adult. Let's try to change this to something above 60. Now we are getting you are a senior citizen. If we try to change this to 12, it will print you are a minor.